In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import JSON file in N8N. If you're moving an automation from one workspace to another, restoring a backup, or starting from a template you downloaded, importing a JSON workflow is the quickest way to get up and running. First, open your N8N instance and head to the Workflows area so you're looking at the main canvas. Whether you use the cloud version or a self-hosted one, the interface will look the same. Make sure you're signed in with an account that can create or edit workflows. Next, create a new workflow. This gives you a clean canvas and helps avoid accidentally overriding anything you already have. You'll see an empty editor with no nodes, a title field at the top, and a toolbar. You can import into an existing workflow too, but starting fresh keeps things simple and makes it easier to spot what the import adds. Now, look to the top of the editor for the menu with the three dots. That's the Workflow Options menu. Click it to open additional actions that aren't on the main toolbar. From that menu, choose Import from File. Your system's file picker will open. Navigate to the JSON file you want to bring in, select it, and confirm. The file should be a JSON export from N8N. If you downloaded it from a trusted source, keep it as is. Don't paste it into a document or change its formatting. If you're unsure whether the file is valid JSON, you can quickly check it with any JSON validator before importing. After you confirm, N8N processes the file and populates the canvas with the nodes, connections, and workflow settings contained in the export. Large workflows might take a moment, so give it a bit of time. When the import completes, scan the canvas to make sure everything looks correct. It's normal for any credentials or environment-specific values to be unset for security reasons. You can reconnect those later in the appropriate nodes. If you see a version or compatibility warning, it usually means the workflow was created in a different N8N version. Most of the time, it still imports fine. If something looks off, re-export from the original source or update your N8N instance to a recent version and try again. Finally, give the workflow a clear name and save your changes so you don't lose them. That's all there is to it. You've just imported a JSON file into N8N, and you're ready to tailor it to your setup.